What's up, guys? It's Max here with another update on the house build, and I just want to show everybody today we passed our stem inspection, so they're going to come pour the stems tomorrow morning, and this is what it looks like when it's ready for stems to be poured. So a few things to check is that all your straps are in the correct places. That might show on your framing plans and on your concrete plans. I can't remember for sure, but yeah, make sure that you got all the right hold downs. As you can see, those will go into the stem wall, and that'll be to pretty much hold your wall down to the concrete. Make sure you got all your correct rebar in there. It's a good thing to just double check measurements, double check square, make sure that everything looks good, because once this is poured, obviously you're kind of stuck with it at that point. So another good thing to check is that like the specific location of the hold downs is in the right place. For instance, I have over here, I got a exterior door going in this corner, like a 3-foot door. So a good thing to check would be like that there's enough room here and this isn't too far to one side, so that all of a sudden you can't fit your door here because this is in the wrong spot, and there has to be a load bearing corner right here. So just all the little things to check, your garage door opening sizes. Yeah, just make sure everything looks good. The guys working over here doing a super good job. Everything, they got all their string lines set up. Everything looks nice and straight and square, and yeah, everything's looking super good. So another thing is the U-for cable. That's into the foundation now. Now it's stubbed out. It's going to come out through the stem. But yeah, just good idea to go through and double check everything. Make sure everything looks good. That way, once the concrete's poured, you're not trying to fix anything after the fact. So yeah, I'm excited to see what it looks like once they get all this poured, and once they get all these boards off, kind of see how everything's looking. Another quick thing I forgot to mention is I also called my finished floor elevation inspection at the same time. As you can see, these guys got their nails set in here, and they got that red line going all the way around the whole inside of this thing, and that is for the finished floor elevation. So at the same time that they came out and did the stem inspection to inspect the forms and the rebar, make sure everything looked good, they also inspected that string line and checked to make sure that it was at the right elevation according to the plans. And so I also got that inspection knocked out and passed on that one too. So another thing to keep in mind. Just wanted to check in, give you guys a quick update. Let me know if you guys have any questions. See you on the next one.